Hi children. Okay. What about your study level? Hmm? In last classes we discussed some more matters. All of you understood everything? Do you have any doubt related to that topic? Nothing. Okay. What are the things we discussed in the earlier classes? What is our chapter name? Can you say? Maps. Okay. Yes. Last class we discussed map making. What is the another word of map making? Cartography is the another word of map making. Then who is considered the father of cartography? Ptolemy. Okay. Then what are the materials used for making map? The initial time or ancient times? Okay. Clay tablet. Then metals. Only that item? Yes, plastic. Then there is used animal skin. Now used plastic and paper. Okay. Then lastly we discussed features of map. Features of map. Every time there is one vertical line used. That is N. Okay. The top at the top always we consider N. Okay. This is the vertical line N. If we want to draw a map with the help of scale, we can draw. Okay. Related to that, we already draw maps. Today we want to finding the distances. Today's topic, finding the distances. Okay. The features of map. First feature, we want to use scale. Then find how we can find the distances. That's why another topic, finding distances. What is the next one? Finding distances. Okay. You can use the scale of a map to find the distance between any two points on it. Say, you want to find the actual ground distance between the clock tower and temple. The first measure the distance between T and E using your ruler. Listen, the previous page, there is one example we already discussed. A map showing the part of a town. On the basis of here is one question arises. Listen, what is that? We want to find the distance between the clock tower and a temple. Clock tower there is used one letter D. Temple used there is one letter E. It is clock tower, it is temple. Okay. Then you don't worry, it is not important. I just simply want to understand what is it included. Okay. First measures the distance between D and E using your ruler. We find that D measures 4 cm. From D to E, we can use our scale. With the help of scale, we can find there is only 4 cm. Okay. Then, since 1 cm on the map represents 100 meter on the ground, we know what saying? 1 centimeter is equal to 100 meter on the ground. Here we got 4 centimeter. What is answer? 4 into 100 is equal to 400 meter. It is our answer. Then the actual distance between D and E is 4 into 100 meter is equal to 400 meters. In the map shown in figure 2.2, how will you find the ground distance between Kunal's house and the health club? First of all, you have to break up the distance between A and G. Choosing points are joined by roads. Okay, choosing points, we want to find the distance between these two places. There is used one line on the with the help of rods. These points are the traffic light B and the C and the clock tower D. Measure the distance AB, BC, CD and DG with the ruler. Add them to get the total distance. Let us say the total distance of is 11.2 centimeter. Since 1 centimeter on the map represent 100 meter on the ground distance is 11.2 into 100 meter is equal to 1120 meter. Is it clear anything? അതായത് ഒരു മൂന്നാല് പ്ലേസസ് തന്നിട്ട് അതെല്ലാം കൂടെ ആഡ് ചെയ്തിട്ട് അതിന് ഫൈനൽ ആയിട്ടുള്ള ഡിസ്റ്റൻസ് ഫൈൻഡ് ചെയ്യാനാണ് പറഞ്ഞിട്ടുള്ളത്. ആ പോയിന്റ്സുകൾ ആഡ് ചെയ്തപ്പോൾ വി ഗെറ്റ് 11.2. We want to find 11.2 centimeter into 100 meter. Finally, we get the answer. Here is it. 1120 meter. What is our answer? 1120 meter. Is it clear? Here 9 centimeter. What is our answer? 900 meter. 10 centimeter. 1000 meter. 6 centimeter. 600 meter. 5 centimeter. 500 meter. 2 centimeter. 200 meter. 1.5 centimeter. 150 meter. Is it clear? That one. Okay. Then scale and size of the map. What is the next topic? Scale and size of the map. Is it clear? Finding the distances. Distances finding our style. Okay. Next, scale and the size of the map. Scale and size of the map. The size of a map depends on the scale you chose. Right? Size of a map depends on the scale you choose. We choose a scale and depend on the map and the size. You will understand this better by studying figure 2.3. Suppose 1 centimeter on the map shows 1 kilometer on the ground. Listen, I will choose a scale and base the time. For example, here we know what it is. 1 centimeter is equal to 100 meter. Here I have to choose 1 centimeter is equal to 1 kilometer. 1 centimeter is equal to 10 kilometer. Okay. Listen, you will understand this better by studying figure 2.3. Suppose 1 centimeter on the map shows 1 kilometer on the ground. Then two places A and B which are 6 km apart on the ground will be shown 6 cm apart on the map on the upper line figure 2.3. Okay, figure 2.3 there is kilometers and also give different types of scale. Okay, we can use any type of scale on the basis of our needs. നമ്മുടെ ആവശ്യത്തിനനുസരിച്ച് നമുക്ക് ഏത് തരം സ്കെയിൽ വേണമെങ്കിലും യൂസ് ചെയ്യാവുന്നതാണ്. Now, if we want to reduce the size of the map, we choose another scale and say that 1 centimeter on the map cover 2 kilometer on the ground. നമ്മുടെ മാപ്പിൻ്റെ സൈസ് റെഡ്യൂസ് ചെയ്യണമെന്നുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ ഇതിനനുസരിച്ച് എന്ത് ചെയ്താൽ മതി, ഇവിടെ ഇങ്ങനെ കൂട്ടി കൊടുക്കണം. Now 1 centimeter is equal to 1 kilometer. Okay, now we want to change 1 centimeter is equal to 2 kilometer or 1 centimeter is equal to 3 kilometer. Okay, which is easily possible that we can use. Then here two places, I repeat, the size of a map depends on the scale you choose. You will understand this better by studying figure 2.3. Suppose 1 centimeter on the map shows 1 kilometer on the ground. Then two places A and B which are 6 kilometer apart on the ground will be shown 6 centimeter apart on the map, as on the upper line in figure 2.3. Now, if we want to reduce the size of the map, we choose another scale and say that 1 centimeter on the map cover 2 kilometer on the ground. We already discussed. Okay. Hence, the distance between A and B on the map will now become 3 centimeter. The distance between A and B, what is now? It become 3 centimeter. This is shown by the second line, the figure 2.3. We can say that the first scale is larger than the second. Okay, first scale is larger than the second. Here is a suppose, listen. Now here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then our second scale is smaller. What is the reason? Now here we put 1, but here we want to put 2. What is the reason behind it? Firstly we consider 1 centimeter is equal to 1 kilometer, but now that is changed. 1 centimeter is equal to 2 kilometer. But then here we substituted 4, then 3. That's place we can substitute 6. Is it clear? That's why this is the bigger scale, this is the smaller scale. Okay. Is it clear? എങ്ങനെയാണ് സ്കെയിൽ യൂസ് ചെയ്യുന്നത്? ഓക്കെ. The scale and size of the map, that also over. Then we want to discuss directions. What is the another topic? Directions. Okay. So normally this chapter is so simple. The next topic, directions. Directions or directions, we can use no problem. Directions. If you look at any map, you will notice a vertical line at the upper right or left corner as in figure 2.2. Okay. Figure 2.2, there is one line, there is one figure like this. In every map there maybe right side or left side or corner or top. എവിടെയെങ്കിലും ഏതെങ്കിലും ഒരു മൂലയിലായിട്ട് എന്തുണ്ടായിരിക്കും ഈ സിമ്പിൾ അതിൽ കൊടുത്തിട്ടുണ്ടാവും. ഓക്കെ, മാപ്പ് ഡ്രോ ചെയ്യുകയാണെങ്കിൽ ഈ നോർത്തിൽ നിന്നാണ് ഇത് സ്റ്റാർട്ടിങ്, അതിന് വേണ്ടിയിട്ടാണ് ഈ ഡയറക്ഷൻസ് കൊടുത്തിട്ടുള്ളത്. ഓക്കെ. If you look at any map, you will notice a vertical line at the upper right or left corner, as in figure 2.2. The uppermost point of this line has an arrow mark with the letter N. Okay, here is one arrow mark line. Uppermost line, here is arrow mark line, and also here one letter. What is that? N. Okay, this line is called the north line, and it shows the north direction. Here we use N. This letter implies it is the north line or north direction. What is it? North direction. Okay. Then once north line and it shows the north direction. Once you know the north direction, you can easily find the other directions, namely east, west and south. Okay. These 4 directions are called the cardinal points of the compass. Listen, if we know the north direction, we can easily identify here is the east, here is the west, here is the south. Listen, the north direction you can agree. This is east, this is west, then south. North, south, east, west. Is it clear? Okay. Then here east, west, south and also north. These 4 directions are called the cardinal points of the compass. What is it? It is called cardinal points of the compass. Then cardinal points of the compass, the 4 directions are. What are the 4 directions? North, south, east, west. Other than the 4 major directions, there are 4 intermediate directions. These are the major directions. Other than this major direction, here is some intermediate directions. These are northeast, southeast, southwest and northwest. Okay, here from north to east, here we call northeast. Then next one is the here from here southeast, southwest, northwest. Okay, listen, here we can call northeast, then south east, south west, north west. West north. Okay. Then these directions help in locating a place with greater accuracy. It provides great accuracy. Listen, I repeat. All of you listen here. I repeat. Here is mainly 4 directions in every map. There is already given this type of north and position direction. We can easily identify the other directions. Here north, then south, east, west. From here to here, that is called north east. Then here to here, that is called south east. Then here to here, that is called south west. Then west to north, that is called north west. Okay. We can join this line here. Yes. Is it clear? These directions are all. Then some maps may not show the north line. In such map, the upper part is always taken as the north. The lower part is thus the south. And the left and right side represent the directions west and east represent. Okay. Listen. Sudden map. The upper part always north, lower part always south. Then directions of the here is the left side and right side. Left side that is the west, right side is the east. Okay, you want to respect these are the 4 directions. Okay, is it clear what are the directions? Here is mainly 4 directions: north, south, east, west. These are the 4 important directions. At the same time, here is some another directions also. What are the another directions? North to east, that we call northeast. East to south, that we call southeast. South to west, it is called southwest. West to north, it is called northwest. Is it clear? Okay, no, we already discussed what are the 4 important directions. This type of directions, which type of northeast, southeast, southwest, northwest, it is very helpful to the accuracy of the map. Okay. Then this also very important. Okay, this topic very important. What is the reason behind it? Because lifelong we need this. That means the directions. നമ്മുടെ ജീവിതകാലം മുഴുവൻ നമുക്ക് അറിയേണ്ടതാണ് directions എന്നുള്ളത്. North, south, east, west. That is very important. Okay, directions and sub-directions also very important. All of you read your textbook minimum 3 times and also want to study the important things from that topic. At the same time, you want to find the important question answers. Okay. Finally, I will give the correct answers, but before discussing the question answers, you want to find everything. Okay. To be continued on next class. Thank you, children.